What if you could hand an AI a single sentence, the way you'd message a colleague, and watch it execute a complete business workflow across your CRM, your email, and your phone? Not answering questions, completing work. What if that agent could turn the workflow it just ran into permanent intelligence? Skills that any person, any department, any future agent can execute with one command. So that institutional knowledge never leaves when someone does. What if those skills could detect when they break, rewrite their own code, and verify themselves without a ticket, without an engineer, without anyone waking up? And what if all of this ran on your own infrastructure, your data never leaving? Security enforced not by policies, but by architecture that the AI itself cannot override. In the next few minutes, every one of those becomes a live demo, nothing staged.
Your best salesperson does this every morning. Checks the CRM, cross-references email for gaps, flags high-value leads going cold. 30 minutes of discipline every single day. One sentence, 3 systems, a real text on a real phone. If it does this with your pipeline, think about what it does with support escalations, with procurement, with compliance.
That workflow ran, but right now it only lives in that specific conversation. Like every other AI tool you've used, intelligence performed, then forgotten. Not this time. 4 skills. Real intelligence. Built from scratch from a single sentence. 3 failures, 3 repairs. No human in the loop. If it does this for a sales pipeline at 2 a.m., it does it for anything in your business. Not because nothing breaks, because everything heals. Now let's run it. One command, the intelligence your organization just built and now owns. "21 steps collapsed into one command. Every agent in the organization just inherited it. The person who built it could leave tomorrow. The knowledge stays."
Every truly autonomous agent installed on your computer has access to your file system, your documents, your financials, your client files. One bad prompt, one hallucination, files rewritten, data gone. That's the risk nobody talks about until it happens. So we built something different. Let me show you. Two folders. That's its entire universe. The rest of your file system isn't restricted. It's not there. Share any folder as read only. Your agent reads your contracts, your financials, your playbooks, your entire business. It understands everything. It can't change anything. Full context, no risk. You decide what it sees, you decide where it works. Everything else doesn't exist.
Your CRM, your financials, your supply chain, cloud platforms, on-premise systems, the legacy tools nobody wants to touch but everyone depends on. If it has an endpoint, HeartBeatAgents connects to it. Every one of those connections requires your credentials. On most platforms, the AI sees them. The more you connect, the more you expose. Not here. Your credentials never enter the model. Ever. Every system you've been afraid to connect, connect it. Every integration your security team pushed back on, approved. Full autonomy, full compliance. Finally, in the same sentence. That's not a configuration, that's architecture.
Most AI platforms call their memory a markdown file pinned to a system prompt. That's not memory, that's a sticky note. Memory is what lets your agent walk into a conversation and already know what was discussed 3 months ago, what was promised, what failed, and what's still unresolved. An agent that remembers everything is noisy. An agent that remembers what matters right now is intelligent. We built the second one. Your agent doesn't start over. Your clients never repeat themselves, and you stop burning millions of tokens, stuffing entire histories into a context window, hoping the model finds what's relevant, the right memory at the right moment. Nothing more. That's not optimization. That's intelligence. Remember when the agent asked for a phone number the first time? The second time, it already knew. Nobody told it to remember. Nobody told it to look. It just did.
You chose a model. You built workflows around it. Your skills depend on it. Your memory depends on it. Your entire AI investment sits on top of a technology you don't control. When that model changes pricing, you absorb it. When it gets deprecated, you rebuild. When a better one launches, you start over. Every dollar of intelligence you invested locked inside a decision someone else made. Not anymore. We made the model the most replaceable part of the platform. Same agent, same skills, same memory, same integrations, different brain, 2 seconds. The model market will change every quarter. New leaders, new pricing, new capabilities. That's their business. But your intelligence, the skills your agents built, the memory they accumulated, the workflows your organization depends on, none of it moves when the model does. Your investment is yours, permanently.
12 minutes. And we barely scratched the surface. But we didn't build this to impress you. Our founder asked a question that none of us could walk away from. What happens when intelligence is no longer something you rent from the most powerful, but something anyone can own? That question is why this platform runs on your machine, not ours. That question is why we published the full blueprint before asking anyone to trust us. We built the architecture. Now it answers to you.